Your website might look perfect, but what if I told you broken links can ruin your SEO and send your visitors to a dead end? Well, today in this video, I'm going to review one of the popular broken link checker plugin by WPMU Dev, and let's check how we can install the plugin, how to find broken links and fix that in our WordPress website. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, and let's install the plugin broken link checker. So I will simply search for broken link checker, and here is the plugin broken link checker by WPMU Dev. So let's install and activate this plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you will see a new option link checker. Just click on that, and here you will see two options. Either you can scan your website through cloud or you can scan it through local. So let me click on local first, and let's click on all. Now it will show all the links. 200 OK status means the link is working. 403 forbidden means the plugin doesn't allow to read this URL, but the link is working. So this is the YouTube URLs, so nothing to worry about it. Now let's click on broken. Now you can see this link is broken, that's why it is saying that. And you can see the redirect URLs as well. So this is the link and it is redirecting to this link. So you can see a list of all these links. Now let's click on the setting first, and as you can see, it has detected 1083 unique URLs in 1667 links, and 924 URLs is still in the pending. So it is checking those links. Once the checking is done, you can check for broken links. Till now it has found one broken link, and here you can see it is checking broken links for every 72 hours. So it will check for links in every 72 hours. So you can change that limit here, and you can also send an email notification if there is any broken link detected by this plugin. So you can enter that email address, and here you can also enter your YouTube API links to check for broken links in YouTube. And now let's click on here, and here you can check for links in comments or any of the custom post types. So it is checking the page as post for broken links, and you can also select these options so that it will check for broken links. So if the post is not published yet, still it can check for broken links on those pages. So let's click on save changes. Now you can see which links to check. So you can see plain text URLs, embedded Google YouTube videos, embedded YouTube playlist, embedded YouTube videos. So you can select all these options here. Now let's click on advanced, and here you can see the timeout. So if the link is taking more than 30 seconds to load, then it will show that as a broken link, and run continuously while the dashboard is open, and run hourly in the background. So you can select all these options, and you can see show dashboard widgets for admin or editor. So you can select that. So you can set the target resource limit and the server load limit so that it will not overload your server. So you can select all these options here, and you can enable force recheck all pages. So if you click on that, it will recheck all these links again. Now let's click on the broken links here, and you can see it has detected few broken links on the website. Now let's try out the cloud broken link checker. Let's click on connect to WPMU Dev. So let me click on create a free account. You need to sign up through your Google account. Let's click on proceed. Now it will connect the WPMU Dev hub to this website. So it will detect all the broken links. So the site scan for broken link in progress. Now you can click on view full report. Alright, as you can see, this scan is completed now, and it checked for 19,668, so which is quite high compared to the local scan. And you can see unique URL is 750. Now let's check for the broken links. So these are the links that is broken. So let me open it, and you can see the page is showing 404 status. So you can just go to this URL and find that link. So here it is. Let me click on here, and it is going to 404. So let me go to download, and let me copy the URL. Now I can click on edit, and let me find that URL, and I can replace the link here. So this is how you can identify broken links on your website and fix it quickly. Now let me scroll down and let's search for few more links. So as you can see, let me click on that and let me search for the link and let me click on here. And you can see the page is not found, so I can easily click on edit and fix those links. So this is how it works. So it will scan all the URLs, so make sure to use the cloud version which is more accurate. So this is how you can identify broken links on your WordPress website, and you can select all these filter option: internal errors, client errors, where you have 404 and 403 errors, and you can also filter it out with domains as well. So you can select the domains. So let me select this domain, and you can see all the links that is pointed to that domain, and you can also check the broken links in your dashboard as well. So you can see the broken links, the total links and total unique links, and the total number of broken links is shown in the dashboard. So make sure to try this plugin Broken Link Checker by WP Dev, and let me know if this plugin is helpful for you or not, and comment below if you know any better plugin to check broken links in WordPress website. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.